Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing about a review on this guy, Rolling Defensor TT Bay. That is very cheap to get, very easy to get. Yeah, that's why I bought. Not just one, not just two, not just three, not just four, but 5 versions of it. Since how competitive this guy is, I'm just saying, it's very competitive. The layer at least is very good. I literally use it on my competitive combo, but yeah. And we'll be opening on this one to switch out the stickers, so I'm going to at least leave 2. But yeah. And the rest I'll be building off camera. Yeah. Since how easy this is, I don't have to worry about finding them. But yeah. Oh, shit. But yeah, this is a TT. It came in these boosters. This is a booster, so this is booster. The booster 26. So yeah. Definitely an old classic version of it. The mystery, ooh, what the mystery bit chip. Can't wait. Very old 99 for these guys. 99 2000. Yeah, I'm extremely excited to see. Okay, the seal. Let's see. Oh, okay. I definitely put that special one up here on it. So yeah. Actually, let me see something. Does this come with a special one? It says it comes with a special one, but yeah. The blade base is a bit sturdy, but that's okay. It'll be used anyways, competitive. Okay. It's crazy to have this many of it, this layer alone. So I actually don't have to really worry about it. Okay. It comes with another Drasil. Oh, okay. A Dronzer. Plus the stickers. Plus the bit chip protector. So yeah. Let's show you what this guy is all about. So yeah, I have multiple bit chips. Hey, I forgot it was on here. And the blade base is actually on it. So yeah. I'll be definitely keeping. I have one of these guys on one of my other ones already, but yeah. Can't wait to put it on here. But yeah. To make it a lot easier for me, I'll be doing these all at the exact same time. So yeah. Just be aware of that. Let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so I'm back. That took me, whoa, that green. Okay, so, there we go. So yeah, I have all 5 done. So yeah, there's 5 different base bullets and bit chips. So the normal ones I'll be using, probably will be using this one. Because I know it more like this. But yeah. Some of the rare ones. You saw this one? So yeah. and some of the rare ones. So yeah, definitely really cool to see what these cheap bays are good. Yeah, these layers itself is worth the money. I paid, let's see, $8.94 for these guys. I'm using dollars, so yeah, not that bad for these guys. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.